Okay, so I thought I'd make this video for 3 reasons. One, to say hello to Dad. Hey Dad. The other one is when removing the stereo from these Foresters, the earlier models, you can sort of pull this out a little bit, and there's plenty of info on how to do that, and it gets stuck because of these manual HVAC controls. And then last of all, if you have a knob that won't turn or binds up, won't go all the way, we'll have a look at what's going on there. So to get this out, it's simple enough. 2 screws, some clips, you pull it out, and what you find is it gets out that far. There's not enough room to work, you can't do anything. Now, the problem with the earlier ones, well, not necessarily the problem, is they have a manual cable for the heater control on each side. So this cable is stuck and not letting you pull it out, basically. So the center knob, fan speed, is electronic. These 2 are actual cables. So before proceeding, it's probably a good idea to turn these all the way to one side or the other, as much as you can. So then when you're trying to put it back, you kind of know where it goes. And these things, you're going to have to access from the footwell on either side. So you're going to be on, I'll call it left, in case you're in the US, the left-hand side to get this one out, the right-hand side to get this one out. You just got to sort of stand on your head, twist your neck, but the good thing is, you know, you twist it one way then the other on either side. So when you look up there, there'll be a white plastic knob sitting through here. Yep. And this part will be clipped in. It's a bit hard to see because it's clipped into black plastic, but you'll see this part. So first of all, you want to get yourself one of these trim tools. Then basically, whilst holding a torch and twisting yourself, you're going to stick this behind here, pull that off, and then you'll sort of see this side, and you're going to get your tool here and pull that out of the plastic clip until it comes completely loose. Then you go onto the other side, you do exactly the same thing there, and then you'll be able to pull the whole unit out completely. There'll be a plug here to disconnect, there'll be 2 plugs here to disconnect, and after that the whole unit will come out. So you can see the operation of the unit here. That's the vent position. The other side is the cold/hot. So if you're stuck, now this one's from an 03. You'll notice it's got quite a good quality cable. This one's from an 05. And you'll notice it simply has a wire cable. So the wire cable can get bent. So you can see this one's bent. So because this one's bent, when you try and turn this, it gets stuck. And then what will happen is you'll get a knob that only goes from, say, here to there, and it feels bouncy on either side, but it just won't turn. So what's happened there, that wire has bound up, and so you've got to take this off and straighten it, basically.